Subscribe to LUXREFORGE for more updates.
Command, this is Patrol 4. I have visual confirmation on the target aircraft, a Bombardier Global Express 6500. It appears abandoned but intact.
Steady on the winch.
Cable coming down, watch your hands.
We're clear on the left side.
All right, easy now, guide it in.
It's seated. Locking the clasp now.
Take up the tension, slow and steady.
Cable secure on the right side.
Copy that. Moving to the rear strap.
Tension is holding.
Main branch is clear.
Okay, they are increasing the lift. Watch the platform.
Bring her down steady, 50 feet.
Roger that, steady descent.
We have contact. Platform secure, all clear.
Subscribe to LUXREFORGE for more updates.